Hello, everyone in Africa. How are you? Good morning, good afternoon, depending on your time. I don't think there is anybody in Africa right now will be in the night. So I think it is morning and afternoon. Okay, so welcome to the Powerhouse African Challenge weekly information where we give you tips and things that is happening in the Power App African Challenge series that we are currently doing. For those who are new, Power Apps African Challenge is a series of it's like a gamified challenge where people learn Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, many things is within the Power Platform space. And I'm happy to see you. So if you have started already, thank you very much. Thank you. So welcome. Right now, I'm also be bringing up my co-hosts and also my friends, Ola Remajo Imboke and Omolola Alfred. How are you guys?
Hello, David. Hi, everyone in Africa. I'm happy to be here today. And I can't wait as we share with you updates and what you have to focus on this week.
Hi, Omolola.
Hi, David. Hi, David. Hello, Africa. I'm so excited to be here with everyone again.
Thank you. Thank you. So, what do we have for today? We noticed that last week we had the challenge started last week, and a whole lot of people have been doing a whole lot, um, winning things and learning new things. And we need to just go back to the things that has been happening across. So, the game has started fully, and the biggest announcement is that the game plan has been extended. And that is one of the most beautiful news that we've heard. That is one beautiful thing that we're happy for. What we needed to do was to increase the time so that we're going to have more people in, we're going to have more time to learn, we're going to have more things to win, and we have more time to even build up relationship with mentors, with friends and social media guys across the whole series. Another thing there is that we have so many good news coming in since the Power Apps African Challenge series has started, and we are happy to see the people learning, people seeing the things that they can do with the low code development. Now, I want to ask Ola, what did you see having 31 countries in Africa participating in Power Apps African Challenge?
Wow, that is huge and amazing. And I see, some people joining from Senegal, from the East Africa to the West, to the South, to the North. It's really impressive to see that huge number of participation. To me, it shows diversity, and I can imagine the opportunity therein for us. If you are wondering what is the need for me in Power Platform, if you can have representative across 31 countries in Africa learning this technology, imagine the impact, the footprint we're trying to create. So we have people across over 31 countries in Africa today who are learning and building with Power Platform technology. We're actually making something huge happen because you have opportunity to network, and build relationship with people in your groups and teams. It shows that you're also building a network outside Africa, and you never can tell how that will take you, the extent of that in your career. I'm really interested and excited about the representation of Africa in this challenge. Power Platform is not just in Nigeria, it is in several African countries. And I can tell you for free that we will start seeing a lot of innovation and creativity coming into this space, leveraging the uniqueness of Africans. Thank you. Hello, David. Hello, Amalola. Are you there?
Yes. Hi, Ola. I'm still with you.
All right. So just beyond the 31, representation all across Africa, we also have 38 coaches, which is impressive. So 38 coaches and mentors right
Yeah.
on the platform. If you are not there, you will not get, you're missing a lot. So 38 coaches who are willing to help you with the learning journey, assessing your solution, whatever you're building, helping you to improve. I got messages from people, on social media telling me I've been enjoying the Power of Africa Challenge. It's helping me to understand things better and build solution for businesses. That's impressive. And I know your story will also be that if you continue to go on that platform, start and start your challenge today. David, are you back? Right. So it's not bad, but let's take it up from here as well. We have three community challenges that has happened already and four winners. If you did not attend that last week update, please go ahead. We're going to share the link so that you can also participate. If you go to the community user group, you will see links to all the sessions we've held so that you don't miss out. For example, that particular last week, we had four winners, amazing winners. And this week, we're going to have three times, stories about career. You're wondering, are people truly building something here? We have three people we're going to showcase this week who are going to tell us more about their career in Power Platform. Chime is going to come, on the series. We also have Warimu Gachara, and lastly, Olajumoke Toriola, who is the CTO of Ashem Technologies. She will be right there to also tell us this week, three career stories. People sharing exactly how Power Platform comes into play in their career journey, and that will definitely motivate and encourage you on your journey as well. So you can view all past events and even the one that is going to come up later in the community user group. Just go to the events tab and click on it. You'll be able to see everything. I also want to take this quick time to just say thank you to our sponsors. You see, our partner organization. You can see them right on the screen. Computer Revolution Uganda. We have Deep Brand Consulting. We have Fastlane, Reliance Infosystems Limited, and also Computer Revolution Africa Group. Amazing, support from these partners. So making sure things are running smooth at the back end. We're having the right set of, gifts and prizes to, participants, and the entire experience is hinged on these partners. Thank you once again. All right, let's go into the details for this week. Why haven't you logged in and start your journey? That is the question, Omolola. Why? Why have they not logged in? They are missing a lot, aren't they?
They are really, Ola. I don't know why anyone would not want to learn, have access to coaches, and also win. All right, win games, win coins, use your coin to buy so many things. You have no excuse not to have logged in or not to have started building.
Okay, I agree with you completely. And I see a lot of people out there, who are actually saying that they're enjoying the game. The challenge has been a smooth ride from Ulua Pelumi and Roshaye. And I also have Shadrach here, who is happy to join and say, "Hi everyone, Shadrach joining from Kenya." David, over to you. Hello, David.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you,
Okay,
David.
great, great. Okay, good. So thank you very much for holding the front. I think the internet is just bad this period in time. So and that is the real truth. I love that question. Why have you not logging into the Centrical website? You need to start. The first thing for you to say that you're going into the next year, having skill sets that you can hold in hand to improve on your productivity at work. One of them is low code development or the Power Platform. And you just need to start. And it's so easy for you to start. You just need to just start. Take it a step at a time. Ask questions in the community group or in the user group. People are there to answer your questions. If you don't understand anything, you're there to answer. Hi, Charles from Senegal. I have seen a whole lot of people from Lagos, Nigeria. So whatever you want to do, please log in and start. If you have friends, please bring them in. Let them learn together. One of the things that we've learned in the African space is that we are building more of a communal learning together. So it's more of a community learning. So I want you to bring others to it and say, oh, let's learn together. Let's learn together. So, and it's so easy for you to start off and you just look at it. So if you have any missing login details, always check your spam or always ask in the community group for you to be able to learn or to be able to register. So let's talk about troubleshooting, Ola. How do you think that people can troubleshoot whenever they have any issue going through the challenge?
The good thing is we have loads of support on ground willing to assist everyone, on this learning journey. If you have any challenge, the surest path to follow is the community user group, aka.ms slash Power Apps Africa. I shouldn't be mentioning this again by now because repeatedly we've let you know that that is the meeting point. But I'm still going to mention it again and see if you can remember, because I'm going to ask you before the end of this show today. The user group is there for you to leverage for support. Every troubleshooting questions, attempt, put your username, go on the group, private message, the user group, and put your name and ask your question, your full name, and ask your question. Definitely they're going to attend to it. Questions about points on the leaderboard, were resolved during the weekend. So, meaning, in case you were attempting some things and those questions were not reflecting, those things have been resolved. Your point
Yeah.
on the leaderboard should now match the sum of points you've earned so far. So, order back and check. And if you don't have enough points, just try to do more because you need to accrue as more points as possible. If I were you, I will be there and making sure that every challenge I complete on time. We've seen your messages and we're doing our best to respond quickly to them. Over to you, David.
Thank you very much, Ola. So we're going to go to the game activities. The game activities have 10 mission live currently. Omolola, do you want to walk us through that?
Okay. All right. Amazing. David, please can you share something on that just so that we can have a visual, and as I'm walking us through, everyone can see what I'll be walking us through.
Okay. So now just tell us about what you think about the game activities in the Power Apps since you've started doing the challenge. Did you started doing the challenge, Omolola?
Yes, yes, yes. So one of the beautiful things about it is one, yes, to answer your question, I've started. I'm trying to also walk through because I'm a coach. So I'm trying to walk through, and also I've been getting a lot of questions. I've been jumping on calls. People have called me, okay, so how is this going? What should I do? And one thing that I've actually noticed is that all the Power Apps modules, right, have been broken down. So and when once you finish this one you get rewarded for it, right? So once you
Yeah.
finish another one you get rewarded for it. So it's not as if you're on a learning spree without things being ordered for you. Everything has been broken down. So do this first one before you jump onto this, before you jump onto this. So somehow you are as you're going and you're earning points, you are building on your knowledge, you're building on your knowledge. And it's so amazing that somebody that didn't even know Power Apps yesterday is calling me today and is telling me, oh, do you know I learned this yesterday? I learned this yesterday. So it's so amazing to see people glow at the side of knowledge and as you're walking through. And the amazing thing is that they're not just doing it just for doing sake. They're doing it and they're earning points. And they know that with those points, you can buy something. How beautiful is that, David?
Cool. Very, very beautiful. I agree with you. Currently, right now on the leaderboard, we have Alajijo from the Nigerian 20 team. He or she is in the believe in yourself level, and he or she has 4,956 points right now. That is a whole
Wow.
lot. Yeah,
Very
close to
huge.
5,000. That is very, very, very huge.
That's
And we
huge.
have, I think we have two Nigerians and one South African. We have two Nigerians and one South African currently. So now it's beautiful for us to see the different type of people coming in. I can see a Ghanaian in the top six. I can see a Morocco person in the top nine. I can see a Kenyan person in the top 12. I can see a Sudanese person in the top 15. I can see a
Interesting.
Senegalese person in the top 17. I can see people in Ghana, Ghana's. I'm seeing Kenyans, Ghanaians. I can see a Togo person in the top 45, 45. A Mauritius person in the top 52. Yeah, so it's everywhere. People, a whole lot of people are doing this from different countries, and it's just beautiful to see. It's very beautiful to see, and really, I'm glad. The major thing I want is that if you are watching this and you are listening, we want you guys to bring more people on board. We need more people to learn what you're learning. That is the beautiful thing about it. If you're learning something and you're happy that you're able to learn it, why can't you make somebody learn it? And that is how it works. You make people learn it, you make more people learn it. Before you know, you build a community around what the things that you've learned. Let's go to the community challenge. There's so many community challenge happening within the community that is even different from the main challenge itself, and people are winning stuff. Ola, what do you have to say to that?
That's the personally for me. I love things like this because it creates opportunity. And what we've done, why engaging with the team planning Powerhouse Africa, is we want a scenario where people get to win or win. There is never anything like win or lose. You don't lose in this game. You win or you win, and in both wins you are also learning. So in case you didn't register on time, but you're just watching this and wondering, why can I get into the game? Oops, registration has actually closed. But that is not the end. This is why we've created the user group, aka.ms/Power Apps Africa. That link is very useful, maybe the most useful link for you right now. The moment you join that Power Platform group, you then see activities right there within the user community. And those activities as you're partaking, you ask you questions, there are gifts and amazing prizes being given away every week. It's not just for the duration of the program. Last week, 4 people won amazing prizes. And right this week again, we have loads of prizes to be won. So you are learning on the user group, your questions are being answered, you're growing, and you're also winning. That is a win-win situation for me. I hope you're going to send some of this gift to me, right? Okay, I think that's all about
Okay,
that, David.
great. And one of the also beautiful thing is that they have exams to write. You have your PL 100 that you can get exam vouchers for you to write. So it's so important that imagine you learning a skill set and being certified with that skill set is just so important in the type of environment that we are, that we always need to show the skill sets that we have. And then lastly, let's go into the things that we have in store for this week.
So David, before
Yeah,
we quickly talk about this week, I think I did not emphasize enough about the gift and the prizes people are winning this week. For example, there
yeah.
are 3 challenges with 6 winners: laptop bags, travel mugs, wireless mouse. Amazing. I mean, all this is sponsored by Computer Revolution Africa and Reliance Info System. And that is not the
That's
end,
cool.
and that is not the end. We have a jumpstart challenge, for you to a cloud skill challenge for PL 900. PL 100, by the way, that's Power Apps Maker. If you take that
Yes.
learning part and you're able to take that jumpstart challenge and you finish it by tomorrow, you could win a 10,000 milliampere power bank from Reliance Info System. Wow.
Wow.
I don't
Wow.
want to gloss over that. Jump on the
Wow.
challenge now and win. That's just one thing I will tell you. Jump and win. You know,
And there too much community challenge also. Too much community challenge this week, Wednesday and Friday. So you have to be in the user group, the aka.ms/Powerhouse Africa. You have to be in the user group to get the links and also the details. Omolola, over to you.
Yeah, while you were talking, David, you mentioned um, Nigerians, you mentioned people all over the world. And the only thing that came to me is that this is technology advancement and development right at the doorstep of Africans. So ensure that you take advantage. Well, you see, as Africans, how we actually take advantage of things like this is to, for instance, I'm a Nigerian, and all I have in my head now is to actually shout and say, "Go Nigerians, go Nigerians!" So if you're a Ghanaian, all right, come on, tell people in Ghana, let them come and join this team. If you are, yeah, I see somebody saying Senegal, come, go tell people, tell your neighbors, tell people at work, tell people in your school, come and flood this. I don't want to see just one Senegal. I don't want to see just one person in South Africa. Let people come. I can see Nigerians, yes, but I want to see more people from Kenya. I want to see more people from Ghana. I want to see more people from South Africa. Everybody, so far, you are in the continent of Africa. Come, call your neighbors, call your family. Come, let's do this together, Africans.
Yeah, cool. I agree to that. One thing is that this is our own. This is something that we are doing. Richard, SCN, you didn't miss much, but we are going to just make sure that you are all in the community. As far as you are in the community user group, you are not missing much. All informations are there for you to listen to. But the idea is that this is African thing. This is our own thing. These are the things that we are learning together to improve on our skill set and our job opportunities. I need us to learn more. I need us to bring more people on board. And that is so important. This week is majorly bring one more person on board, like one more person on board. If you can bring one more person on board for us, that is a win for everybody. We need you to bring one more person on board. They go in and start working, they go in and start learning. So we want to see the Senegalese people, we want to see the Kenyans, we want to see the Ghanaians, we want to see the Nigerians, we want to see many more countries, the Egyptians, anybody that is within the African continent. We want to bring everybody together. So in the next 5 minutes, we're going to go into what we have in store for us this week. And the first thing that we have in store for us this week is 4 more live session. And
Woo!
what do
I'm
yeah,
happy.
exactly. 4 more live session, because really, why are you learning something if you don't want to, if you don't know if there's a good career prospect for it? So there
Mhm,
are
mhm.
live sessions with Chime, with Wanrimu, Garat, Gachara, and Ola Jumoke Toriola, and we have also week 2 recap of Friday. So those 4 live sessions are so important for you to be able to listen to people who learned local development and who are doing well with the local development. So that is one beautiful thing about that. Also again is that for Ola, what do you think? There'll be a slight change in the team this week. What do you think?
Yes, because we are not just interested in putting you in a team. We want the best for you. So we are optimizing, and building a bigger team to raise the stakes of the competition and also to make it more fun. So you might see a slight change in the team you have been assigned to. We are reshuffling just to be sure that, okay, we have the best team that can support your learning and growth and also make it more fun, to compete with. Add more peers to engage with. These are the things that we're actually doing with a slight change on teams arrangement.
Cool. And Omolola, we have 5 more missions this week. What do you think that can help our participants to get more coins and to win more things with 5 missions this week, Omolola?
So, David, you have said it all. Five visions means more points. It means more opportunity to learn. It also means more opportunity to actually showcase your learning. So, as you're learning, go on Twitter. Say, this is what I've learned for today. All right. Go on LinkedIn. Say, perhaps Africa has helped me to learn how to build an app today. So, you have five missions. It's an opportunity for you to gather more points, an opportunity for you to make noise about what you have learned through the Perhaps Africa Challenge. So 5 more points, sorry, 5 more missions means more points.
Missions.
Yes.
Yeah. And
Just to
also
add,
is that,
yeah, David.
and also is that you know that they are going to be is going this week is going to be major focused on coins. So you are
Yes.
winning, you have more opportunities for you to buy stuff. So always
Mhm,
just be sure of that. You have more opportunities to buy stuff. So it is coins focused. I am
mhm.
coins focused. So if you know that you want to buy stuff, you want to have mentorship sessions, you want to win stuff, this week is where it is being packed in. So you have to win. If you want to win coins, it is this week. And I should not lie to you, this week, majorly. Also, is that what do you think about Ola? This over to you now. What do you think about the missions that will be happening throughout this week? What do you think about it?
Yeah, so like you said, it is this week is market focus. What I mean by market focus, it is about coins and not points. So you might see that on the table, you are still on the same level based on if you have completed all the challenges in terms of points, but you are having more coins now. And these are the coins you take to the market store to buy, raffle draw for those challenges, for those gifts, and also secure a mentorship, session, slot with whoever you want it to be. So that's a little thing that is changing. So see it as market. I'm going to the market. You have to take to the market some money, and you are getting those coins. More reason why you should be focused and also do everything on time. So there'll be more community challenges coming up. I'm going to share the link in the community user group. Aside that, the special awards for dedicated players has been postponed to next week. So don't don't miss this. There's something very important that is coming up as the award for most dedicated player. There is something very interesting, the prize that is coming up. I will not tell you now, but just be active, because next week we will make that announcement as well.
Yeah, thank you very much. For those who came in late, just know that this is the Power Apps African Challenge. So we are always on ground to give you information about the challenge. Is a gamified challenge on local development, a Microsoft productivity tool called the Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, and the Power BI. So everybody are learning and they are learning and they are learning and they are winning also. And also thank you to all our partners, our sponsors. We have the Computer Revolution Uganda CRU. We also have D Brown Consulting. My people, D Brown, thank you. We also have Reliance Infosystem Limited. We also have the Fast Lane. We also have Computer Revolution Africa Group, Technology Redefined. Thank you very much to all our sponsors. And finally, thank you to you watching me, you that you have made sure that we have people, that we have you within the community, within the system, who is learning, who is sharing their learning experience. Thank you very much for being here. We cannot wait to see those who will win. We cannot wait to see the country with the highest points. Because right now, I don't know if I should go for Nigeria. I have my Ghanaian brothers and sisters. I have my South African brothers and sisters. So it's kind of difficult. But really, this is a win for Africa, and we cannot wait to see what you guys are going to do in the future with Power Apps. So if you have not started, this is a call to action for you to go in and start if you have not started. And if you have started, this is just another call to action for you to bring a friend and let your friend bring another friend so that everybody is winning. The idea is that when you see a good door and you're able to open it and it bring good thing for you, don't close the door so that only you should enjoy. Open it, let others come in, and let the table be bigger. Thank you very much. Thank you, Olariwajo Iboke, for joining me today, host. Thank you to Omolola Alfred for joining me today also to co-host. Thank you very much. And I wish you the very best this week. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.